हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओमनिगन। मेरे चैनल ओमनिगन में आप सब लोगों का फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो आई हैड मेड अ वीडियो फॉर क्लास 12 स्टूडेंट्स रिगार्डिंग सप्लीमेंट्री and the compartmental exams, okay, but still I think there are some students who are not clear with this system. They're confused, okay. Many are asking me, will we be able to write improvement exam, okay. Is there, again they are asking if there is any supplementary exam system, okay. Many have confusion regarding what is the compartmental exam system, okay. Now in this video, okay, I'm going to make everything very clear and very elaborately. I'll explain you the three systems, okay, supplementary exam, compartmental exam and improvement exam, okay. मैं बहुत clearly explain करने वाला हूँ ये तीन exam system. And for class 12 which exam system is applicable, class 12 के लिए कौन सा exam system applicable है, ठीक है। तो आपको बार बार कमेंट करना नहीं पड़ेगा. यू नीड नॉट कमेंट अगेन एंड अगेन. इफ यू वॉच दिस वीडियो इट विल बी फुल्ली क्लियर टू यू, ठीक है। आपको मुझे मैसेज नहीं भेजना है इंस्टा पे, आपको मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में, यूट्यूब के कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट नहीं करना है. नो नीड. इफ यू जस्ट वॉच दिस वीडियो आई विल बी इलैबोरेटली एक्सप्लेनिंग यू एवरीथिंग हियर, ठीक है। तो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट अस स्टार्ट. लेट मी explain you all the system of examination very nicely, okay. Please watch the full video, okay. अब देखिए सप्लीमेंट्री एग्जाम्स क्या है. तो जैसे कि इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू सप्लीमेंट्री एग्जाम्स, कंपार्टमेंटल एग्जाम्स एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट एग्जाम्स, ओके. तो पहले हम लोग आते हैं कि सप्लीमेंट्री एग्जाम्स क्या है. तो हियर यू कैन सी दैट सप्लीमेंट्री exams were conducted by MBOS only for those students who failed in class 10 this year. तो ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि this year actually Meghalaya Board of School Education, the Department of Education Meghalaya, Government of Meghalaya, they planned that class 10 students, for class 10 students we will introduce a supplementary exam student, okay. And what is the supplementary exam system? Under this system, a student who has failed in class 10 this year, 1 month later they will be able to write again the only those subjects, okay, in which they have failed in their class 10 main exams, ठीक है. Did you understand? So this supplementary exam system is only for class 10, not for class 12. Now again many are asking me that, sir, is there supplementary exam for class 12 also? No. As of now, अभी तक के लिए ये actually कोई भी साल नहीं होता है. This system is not applicable any year. If you see last year also 2024, 23, 22, this system is not applicable. But yes, I am not saying that this year also it will not be applicable, but there is no such notification from MBOS right now. So as of now, at present, there is no such provision for class 12 regarding supplementary exams. तो ये जो exam system है जहाँ if you fail this month, next month again you can write the failed subjects. This system is not applicable for class 12 at present. अभी तक के लिए, क्योंकि देखिए अगर supplementary exam system होता तो you would have got notification earlier only, okay. 5th your results were declared and today is 7th, ठीक है. तो आज 7th है एक्चुअली. ये वीडियो शायद आपको 8th को मिलेगा. आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो ऑन 7th एक्चुअली. यू विल बी गेटिंग दिस वीडियो ऑन 8th, ओके. बट एनीवेज आज 7th है या 8th है, यू हैव नॉट गॉट एनी नोटिफिकेशन फ्रॉम एम्बोस, राइट. इन क्लास 10 एक्चुअली दे हैड गॉट द सप्लीमेंट्री एग्जाम नोटिफिकेशन मच अर्लियर. उन क्लास 10 स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत पहले ही मिल गया था, सो दैट दे कुड टेक प्रिपरेशंस. But since there is no such notification for supplementary exam for class 12, so you can say that, or I can say that there is no such provision for supplementary exams for class 12. कोई भी provision supplementary exams का जो provision है class 12 के लिए नहीं है. तो फिर class 12 के लिए कौन सा exam system है? Supplementary exams not for class 12. तो ये आपका cancel हो गया, okay. So one system of exam is cancelled. Now we'll come to compartmental exams. अब compartmental exams क्या है? This exam is conducted every year by MBOS. ये exam जो है ये every year MBOS conduct करता है. किसके लिए? For whom? Students who have failed, who have been declared failed in which class? In their class 12 results can give this exam. So this exam system, this exam pattern system is for class 12. ये कंपार्टमेंटल एग्जाम पैटर्न जो है ये क्लास 12 के लिए है, लेकिन कौन से क्लास 12 स्टूडेंट्स के लिए? व्हेन यू चेक योर रिजल्ट, व्हेन यू टाइप योर रोल नंबर एंड यू चेक योर रिजल्ट एंड इफ यू सी इन योर रिजल्ट इट इज रिटेन फेल, एक्चुअली मैंने यहाँ पे पास्ट टेंस में लिखा है, बट इन योर रिजल्ट इट विल बी FAIL फेल. अगर फेल लिखा है, ओनली दो स्टूडेंट्स कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस कंपार्टमेंटल एग्जाम्स. ठीक है, तो however students can only give this exam next year along with the main HSSLC board exams. So when will you be able to write this exam? Next year. ठीक है, I have given an example, see here. So please watch the video very nicely, do not skip. If you have any confusion, if you know, it is okay, but if you do not know, please do not skip, okay? For example, if a class 12 student has failed in 2025, जो कि इस साल है, okay, say this year 2025 a student has failed, then that student, then he or she can give this compartmental exam in 2026 only, that is after 1 year. That means next year March, February, March, when the other students who have been promoted to class 12 this year, जो class 11 से 12 इस साल promote हुए हैं, उनके साथ आपको ये एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा नेक्स्ट ईयर. डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग? ओके, सो इफ यू हैव फेल्ड दिस ईयर, then you will have to wait for 1 year. Next year only you can write the compartmental exam. Then those students who have been declared passed, so in your report card, in your result, if when you see online your result, okay, when you see pass, okay, you cannot write this exam. तो क्लास 12 आपका जो मार्कशीट है आपने देखा होगा ऑनलाइन, यू मस्ट हैव चेक्ड ऑनलाइन, राइट, ऑन 5th of May. So if you see it is written PASS pass, then you cannot appear this exam. Now why I have written here is because all of us we know that pass करेंगे तो फिर से दोबारा एग्जाम क्यों लिखेंगे? Actually I will explain you this thing, because a student who fails in one elective subject is still considered passed. तो इंग्लिश आपका कंपलसरी सब्जेक्ट है, उसमें अगर आप फेल हो गए तो फेल है, बट यू नो दैट इन क्लास 12 यू हैव अ टोटल ऑफ 6 सब्जेक्ट्स. लेट मी क्लैरिफाई दिस वेरी नाइसली, प्लीज डू नॉट स्किप द वीडियो. इफ यू हैव slightest confusion also, please watch the video, okay? Now in your class 12 you have a provision of 6 subjects. Out of 6 subjects, okay, 5 subjects you must pass. 5 subjects you must pass. One subject is considered what? One subject is considered, क्या consider किया जाता है? One subject is considered as additional or 4th subject. That one subject should be an elective subject only. It should not be compulsory subject. जैसे English आपका compulsory subject है. In that subject you have to pass. But leaving English, the other elective subjects that you have, I'm talking of elective subjects. Okay? One subject is considered as 4th or elective. Now many of you might have seen in your result, that many have failed in one subject. But if you see your result, it is written pass. That means one subject is considered as a 4th or additional subject. If you have failed in that subject, you have still passed. Okay. So if you in any ways, if you see in your result report card, the mark sheet that you have checked online, if you see it is written PASS pass, then under any circumstances, under any situation, you cannot write this compartmental exam. ठीक है, आपको समझ में आ गया? Now, many students keep asking me, sir, say I failed in one subject. Say I failed in political science, one subject, but I have passed class 12 because one subject is elective subject, one subject is 4th subject. So in my mark sheet it is showing pass, but I failed in political science. Now sir, I want to improve my marks in political science because I failed. It does not look good also in your mark sheet if you fail in one subject. So sir, I want to improve, I want to write that political science again. Okay, मैं वो political science subject जो है फिर से लिखना चाहता हूँ और अपने marks improve करना चाहता हूँ. No, there is again no such system as improvement exams in class 12. इम्प्रूवमेंट एग्जाम जैसा कोई भी सिस्टम एम्बोस के अंडर नहीं है. इफ यू हैव पास्ड विथ वन सब्जेक्ट फेल, यू हैव टू कीप दैट लाइफ टाइम विथ यू. वो मार्कशीट आपको आपके पास लाइफ टाइम ही रखना होगा. अनटिल एंड अनलेस अगर किसी दिन जाके इन फ्यूचर, if any time in future MBOS gives a provision facility that class 12 students can appear, can improve their subjects, okay, तब जाके हो सकता है. but it has been many years, okay, many years क्या, कभी भी MBOS ने ऐसा कोई system नहीं दिया है. MBOS has never given such system, okay. So if you see in your mark sheet it is written pass, but you failed in one subject, so here you see, okay. Therefore, if any student has failed in one of the elective subjects, किसी भी एक elective subject में आप fail होते हैं, but in his or her result it is showing pass, then they cannot write any improvement exam. In fact, they cannot write any exam. आप कोई भी exam नहीं लिख सकेंगे. ठीक है. तो what is the basis that I'm asking you? The basis I'm asking you is that the basic thing that I'm telling you is that students, class 12 students are only eligible for compartmental exams. You are not eligible for supplementary exams. आप supplementary exams में eligible नहीं है. आप किसी improvement exam के लिए भी eligible नहीं है. Yours is only compartmental exams. अगर आप एक सब्जेक्ट में, अगर आप दो सब्जेक्ट में फेल होते हैं तो यू फेल, देन यू कैन नेक्स्ट ईयर अपीयर ओनली इन दोस टू सब्जेक्ट्स एज अ पार्ट ऑफ कंपार्टमेंटल एग्जाम्स. ठीक है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, तो क्या करना है आपको, तो आपको कैसे पता चलेगा, हाउ विल यू नो when there will be form fill up, when you have to write exam? So students must check the MBOS website to know the date of form fill up for compartmental exams. So every year you see MBOS will release date for form fill up for class 12 board exams. So when that form fill up comes, you can also fill up the form for the compartmental exams. That's it. Okay. So generally you see the HSSLC exam form fill up starts between November and December. तो नवंबर और दिसंबर के बीच जो है ये फॉर्म फिल अप स्टार्ट हो जाता है. ठीक है. तो you have to always check the website. You can take information from your friends also. ठीक है. अपने दोस्तों से भी इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं. किसी टीचर के साथ अगर कांटेक्ट है उनसे भी इंफॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं आप कि कब ये फॉर्म फिल अप स्टार्ट होगा. आप खुद भी एम्बोस का वेबसाइट चेक करते रहिए. फॉर्म फिलअप जब स्टार्ट होगा तब आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स कैन फिल द फॉर्म विद द रिक्वायर्ड फीस, जो भी आपका फीस होगा. ओके, यू कैन फिल अप द फॉर्म फॉर द कंपार्टमेंटल एग्जाम्स एंड राइट ओनली दो सब्जेक्ट्स इन विच दे हैव फेल्ड. तो जैसे आपने पॉलिटिकल साइंस और इकोनॉमिक्स में फेल किया, तो दो में फेल किया, मतलब इन योर रिजल्ट इट इज रिटन FAIL failed. So when you do the form fill up, you can only appear in those two subjects, political science, economics. Okay, ठीक है. And now again, students will keep asking me, sir, what are the documents required? What do we have to do? Now see, all the guidelines will be available on the MBOS website for this procedure. सारा जो है गाइडलाइंस MBOS में PDF फॉर्मेट में अपलोड किया जाता है. All the guidelines are uploaded in PDF version on the MBOS website. Please, keep checking the MBOS website. मैंने कहा आपको नवंबर दिसंबर में. So by this time you keep checking the website. जब ये टाइम आएगा नवंबर दिसंबर, आप वेबसाइट चेक करते रहिए. You can collect information from your teachers also, from your friends also. ठीक है, आपको खबर मिल ही जाएगी. You will automatically get the information. Okay, from there you can download the guidelines in the PDF format. ठीक है, and you can check the required fees. तो तब आप ये required fees जो है ये आप चेक कर लीजिए उस टाइम पे. And what are the things that you have to do? What are the documents necessary? Because if you ask me what documents are necessary, I'll tell you your class 12 admit card and registration card. Now you will depend on my information. Okay, and you will do the form fill up. So every year what will happen is that, what may happen is that they may change the document system also. Maybe along with admit card and registration card, they may ask your birth certificate also, or they may ask any ID proof like Aadhaar card or a voter ID card also. It may be. So you have to check the official website only for the required documents and the required fees. क्या फीस आपको पे करना है, क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपको सबमिट करना है, क्या क्या करना है. So please check the website. Instead of asking me, you check the website, because Embos may keep on changing their system from time to time. No, so instead of asking me, you can ask, you can check the Embos website for the guidelines. That's it. Okay. So I hope no, I'm 100% sure that I have clearly explained you the three system of examination. Supplementary, which is only for class 10, not for class 12. Improvement exam, there is no such system as improvement exam. Okay. Compartmental exam is the one which is for class 12 fail students. तो सिर्फ फेल स्टूडेंट्स जो है आपके मार्कशीट में फेल होना चाहिए. द वर्ड फेल मस्ट बी देयर इन योर मार्कशीट. Only they can appear the compartmental exams. ठीक है. And how to do the form fill up, what documents will be necessary. So I told you that the form fill up starts between November and December. You can check the information from the Embos website. Next, after checking how much fees is required, that also will be available on the Embos website. How to fill the form, what documents to submit, all the guidelines will be available on the Embos website for this procedure duly on time. Okay, so you can check from there instead of asking anyone. Independently you can check from there. Okay, so I have made all these things very clear. Please watch this video again and again if you do not understand, and share this video with those friends who could not successfully clear their class 12 exams. So now you see, instead of giving so many comments and asking so many questions, you watch this video. In this one video only, everything will be available. Okay, so that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please share the video, and please like the video. Okay, your like again will give me a lot of motivation. Subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram. I'm available on Instagram also, and I'm also giving out notes, obviously paid notes to class 12 from 9 to 12 students. Okay, if you want any notes, okay, you can go and DM me on Instagram, or you can mail me also. The mail ID and Instagram ID links are all given in the description box. You can go and check it out from there. If you want any special notes, I'm there, but on paid basis. Okay, so that's all from me for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. With love from Omnigyan, and all the best to all of you. Thank you so much.